Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a RIA transfer delay. Let's get into it. First, check your email for notes. The first step is to look at your messages to see if the company is asking you for more information. Many times, a delay happens because they need to double check something. Open your email inbox and look for any message from RIA regarding the delay. Look for words like information needed or action required in the subject line. Because the company often sends a note the moment they hit a stop. You have to check your mail so you can see if they need a picture of your ID or a clear answer about where the money is going. Without this step, your money might sit still for days while the company waits for you to reply. Next, track your transfer status. You need to use the tracking tool to see exactly where your money is currently sitting. Go to the RIA website and click on the Track a Transfer button. Type in your order number and the country where the money is going, because it shows you the exact progress of your cash. By tracking, you can see if the money has left your bank or if it is stuck waiting for the receiver to pick it up. It ensures you know exactly which part of the process is slow so you can focus on fixing that specific spot. Next, contact customer support. The final step is to talk to a real person if your money is still not moving after you have tried everything else. Find the Help or Contact Us section on the page. Pick the phone number or the chat box to ask a worker to look at your account. Because sometimes only a person can flip the switch to let the money go through. By calling for help with your transfer, you can get a fast answer on what is wrong. Once they look at it, they can usually push the money through right away. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To fix a delay in RIA, you must first check your email for any questions from the company. Then, you track your transfer to see where it is stuck. Next, you update any wrong info in your payment details. Finally, you contact customer support to have a worker help you finish the job. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.